So today's training was more experimentation on the different setups and stuff I can do outside. All this stuff I kept in like a bag, I guess, and then we're starting off with some push-ups. Um, yeah, at least I got out at a reasonable hour. Over here, I'm trying to figure out how to get my Nordic setup to work out. Um, Nordic curls were one of the exercises I wanted to spend more time on and focus on. So I really wanted to get this setup to work out. So you can see I'm trying to figure out how to get it working and stuff like that. The squats from yesterday, the 30 down squats yesterday, gave me a crazy quad pump and soreness, so that's pretty interesting. Over here, I kind of got a Nordic setup slightly working, but if you keep watching a little bit, um, right, yeah, right here where I moved the camera, and I thought my Nordic setup was good. Um, oh yeah, also figuring out where to attach the bands. This happens. So yeah, back to the drawing board. Um, so yeah, after a while though, I did get a working Nordic setup that feels pretty stable and pretty decent. So um, threw in some Nordics with a good amount of band tension, band resistance. Later, when my hamstring, like mind muscle connection, got a bit better, like in this workout, I did, yeah, over here, I am doing some like negatives and things like that. I think later in the video, I had some better reps, so mm, yeah, yeah, and then we're using the band. I'm trying to keep my hip extended to the best of my ability, but watching the video back, I do bend it slightly. So I guess that's what I should work on next, or strive to work towards. Yeah, so we are continuing the Nordic curl grind. Just trying to get my hamstring strong. Oh, over here we got another roommate cameo. Uh, yeah, they were complaining and talking about stuff, but it's okay. Like asking what I'm up to again. Uh, yeah, I don't. They don't train like at all or have much interest in sport or strength and conditioning or anything, but that's fine. Um, it just bothers me that I can't train out there, like in the communal spaces, but and we're relegated to the outdoor area, but it's fine. Yeah, over here I'm doing some reps a bit cleaner without any band assistance, and I'm using my finger in like a push-up position as support to push me back up. I learned this method from Tim Gertz or something, where he did the road to some kind of ultra marathon. He has extremely impressive calisthenics skills. So that like finger push-up assistance thing I got from his video. Um, so yeah, and you can see at this point of the workout, my like my muscle connection to my hamstrings just gets much better. Like the activation when uh, that I feel is just much higher too. So I'm able to pretty much control the negative as I'm going down. Still dropping near like the end ranges, but it's within some control. Over here, I decided to do some reverse Nordics for quads uh, with much more band resistance, band tension. Um, yesterday, yesterday the 30 down squats really burnt out my quads, so the soreness today was pretty high, and I didn't want to push it too far. So I just did a set of reverse Nordics, nowhere near failure, and with such high amounts of band assistance, it was more for mobility gains, I guess. So yeah, that's the that's that part. And then yeah, I went back to doing some Nordics, Nordics with the bands, and my setup has been holding up. I I have been considering to get maybe some dip bars that I can put out here. So that is within my plan. Um, I guess a pulling motion would be highly lacking. Right now, like a good pushing and pulling movement is lacking. I tried to set up my rings on this like small incline or the fence, I guess. And other than like maybe face pulls, I'm not sure how productive of a training I can get. So I scrapped that idea. Mm, the leg training though is great. Um, Having the Nordic strap, which to modify it to be able to use against or with the fence, I pretty much removed the strap part and only kept the bar and the foam pads. So yeah, there's that. And then yeah, some push-ups again. And then putting everything away, I guess. Putting it in this bag, this surplus bag, so I can carry it back out. Oh yeah, some a little bit of punches with the band resistance. Uh, just a little bit, just messing around. Um, yeah. Um, yeah. So just some punches with the band. Yeah, and then folding up the tarp, putting it in this bag. Yeah. Oh yeah. We also got this grip training thing. So as I was studying for when break is over and doing some homework, um, we just spammed some hand gripper training. So, yeah.